CustomInk is a popular online platform that allows users to create and design their own custom apparel, such as t-shirts, hoodies, and more. The company has been around since 2000 and has become a go-to destination for individuals, teams, and businesses looking to create unique customized clothing. How can you make money online with CustomInk in 2024? Here are a few ways to monetize CustomInk. 1. Design and sell your own products. As a designer, you can create custom designs and sell them on CustomInk's platform. You can set your own prices and earn a profit from each sale. 2. Affiliate marketing. Join CustomInk's affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting their products or services on your website, social media, or email marketing campaigns. 3. CustomInk's referral program. Refer friends and family to CustomInk and earn a $10 credit for each successful referral. 4. Create and sell custom products for others. Offer custom design services to clients who want to create unique apparel for their teams, events, or businesses. 5. Sell custom products on your own website. Use CustomInk's API to integrate their products into your own website or e-commerce platform, allowing you to sell custom products directly to your customers. Tips for success. 1. Create high-quality designs. Invest in design skills or use existing design software to create visually appealing designs that attract customers. 2. Build a strong online presence. Develop a professional website or social media profiles to showcase your designs and promote your products. 3. Leverage marketing strategies. Use targeted advertising, email marketing, or influencer marketing to reach a wider audience. 4. Offer excellent customer service. Provide top-notch customer support to ensure customer satisfaction and positive reviews. 5. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keep an eye on fashion trends, popular designs, and new features on CustomInk's platform to stay ahead of the competition.